Mrs. Mavis Lucinda Sheila Brown. That is the name of my granny. And also she have enough name, and so she thought enough. Every day she just a complain about something or another.
Dear, I take a bus from Constant Spring to downtown, and I walk with a very noticeable penny in my back. And if that no make it clear that I am a ageable woman, then the holy wrinkle in my face should undo it. No, sir? Well, you wouldn't think so. But apparently, the people on the bus never did notice at all. For I turn up from Constant Spring straight back to Crossroads. So me start to wonder now, if all people don't deserve little respect anymore, and little sympathy too. For I man, me back then, I have memories of tramp car and even GOS bus when it tap and a whole of somebody come on. 3 and 4 people a get up one time to give them a seat. Man, woman and picnic. For that time, we used to have respect for our elders. These days, the picnic them discuss bad word and carry on bad in front of big people. Smoke and blow the smoke right in your face, whether it's cigarette or other things. Me not understand no more. Uno mama not teach no manners. When I was younger, if a child in the community carry on with something wrong, them behind bust by a big somebody before them parents reach home. And then when the parents reach home, then get a next husband. For that time, children had respect, and everybody in the community helped to raise everybody else's child. Try that now, then goodly pants in thing lick your dung. And then when them parents come, the parents give you a bine into. And one thing me have to say, me a nod and me don't talk.
Join us again next time for more Granny Rant.